This product is very convenient to install, just fix two hanging boards on the wall and hang the machine on it. Power can be selected from 8 to 12 kW, 220 voltage to 240 voltage. The inlet and outlet use copper interfaces. This is latest instant electric water heater casing, featuring cutting-edge IMD lamination technology. High-quality thin film material is skillfully applied to the curved and contoured surface, adding elegance and modality to its design. This is the over temperature function code, decrease water flow code, ELCB function code, arrow code. Here we will show set temperature and actual temperature. When you long press the up key, it will show the inlet water temperature. When you long press the down key, it will show the water flow rate. Sample rule, supporting OEM, ODM. Authoritative patents and international certifications: SGS, TUV, GCC, CE/CV, ROSE, ETL, ERP, Sabre, 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing bench testing, package, transportation simulation. Instant electric water heater.